I love nature. Look at these. This conker. Amazing. Just come off this tree. There are loads of conkers. It's like Conker City over there. So this conker's out prickly. It's just come down literally in front of me. There we go, look at that. Newborn conker. He's a little baby conker as well. Oh, and there's another one in there. 3 conkers in one shot. And also here, off this tree, sycamore, these beautiful, the colour of that. Worthy gigs. Helicopters. For there. Nature's amazing. Shine on that.